skies here too.
Yes, sunshine's returned, Sophie, which is good news for many. Not for all. This is in Cornwall, many southern areas having had the sunshine returning, but actually in Cumbria it's a much cloudier picture, as it is for the bulk of the central parts of the UK as well. So not great news for all. We've got sunshine to the north and to the south, but we've still got some spits of rain pushing their way westwards into Northern Ireland now as well. So northern Scotland already into the mid-teens, very pleasant here. But actually, it's not just the rain, it's really low cloud over the hills of southern Scotland, northern England. Foggy conditions, actually, for some of the higher routes here. To the south of that, as we saw, the sunshine's returned, and it's much warmer as well compared with yesterday. But that could just trigger one or two homegrown showers later, though thunderstorms are forecast to move from the Brest Peninsula to the Channel Islands by this afternoon, late afternoon. And that's really a continuing theme for the next 3 or 4 days. In fact, overnight, we could hear a few rumbles of thunder in the south and the southwest. Otherwise, a little bit of mist and fog. We've got all that misty, murky weather with that weather front still lingering in the north and still lingering there tomorrow, although hopefully some improvement for Northern Ireland and for some western areas, for example, Cumbria. But in the south, we'll still have those showers around and add into them the heat of the day, the building humidity, and we could well have some localised torrential downpours. May even need warnings tomorrow afternoon for some flash flooding potentially. But for many of us, it's a warmer day with some sunshine again. And again, I have to emphasise the risk of those torrential downpours on Saturday, perhaps a little bit further east and north. But for many of us, outside those showers, lots of warm sunshine, and it will be a decent weekend. Again, the North Sea coast, I think, just played by a little bit of misty low cloud and perhaps some drizzle. Very similar story on Sunday, warm and humid, probably increasingly windy in the east and fewer showers. The shower risk perhaps transferring further north and west, as is the heat. So that's the weekend. So at the moment, it looks for most of us as if there will be some warm sunshine. It'll be warm by day and by night. We've talked about the torrential downpours in places, but the breeze really picks up later, and that's ahead of this area of low pressure for the bank holiday. And that one is really giving us a headache because it's changed significantly, which just emphasises how uncertain the evolution is at the moment. But it could be that we see a large area seeing torrential rain as opposed to those local showers through the next couple of days. So all to play for. If you do have plans, please don't make this the last forecast that you see. I'll update you tomorrow.
Helen, thank you. A reminder now of our main story this lunchtime.